Hey everyone, this is Brent from Outdoors with Dave and Brent. I'm just heading out into the woods to check the snares today. We're getting a pretty big snowstorm here today, so you're going to see a lot of snow. Hopefully the traps aren't buried today. The snow's not supposed to end till probably tomorrow morning, so we'll have to readjust all our snares. Dave wasn't able to make it up today because of the snowstorm, so I'm going to go check the snares now, so hopefully I don't get buried in snow myself. All right, let's go check the first set of traps. So yeah, as I figured, they're getting buried. Probably gonna be buried by morning. We're gonna have to adjust them all by tomorrow morning or tomorrow afternoon, most likely. Have to come down. Dave and I will have to adjust them. They're gonna be buried tonight. Probably got about at least 15 centimeters worth of snow down by now. That one's looking pretty good. That one, however, is getting buried. Same with this one. One good thing is, at least we'll be able to, we'll see some tracks. Once it stops snowing, it's supposed to stop snowing tonight. Supposed to get 20, 30 centimeters of snow. It's really coming down. I'd say we got already probably at least 15 centimeters. At least up here on the mountain. All right, so go check these snares along here. This is along our main run. These are most of our snares are right here. So we're gonna go in here and check these ones. This is really our first big snowstorm of the season. We've gotten a lot less snow this year than we've gotten any other year. This is the first amount of snow that we've actually got. So, a lot of snow. It's good though. Okay, I don't see anything in that one there. Looks all right. Let's go back out here. Check this one. Up here. They're getting really hard to see, like to see over there and see them. Getting harder to see because they're getting buried in snow. I don't even see where that one is. That one might already be buried. This one over here. Where it is. Maybe I've stepped on it. Uh-oh. Oh, I stepped on that one. Yeah, getting really hard to see now. Hopefully I can find them all in the snow. Their tags are getting covered up. Oh, I see some tracks there. That could be some rabbit track, maybe. Hopefully we don't get too much snow. It'll be quite a track in here tomorrow. Trying to get in here to see them all. If we get 30 or more centimeters of snow, that's going to be quite a bit. Pretty deep right now. Down to these ones. Check this guy. That one's getting close to being buried. Get a little more snow and that's going to be gone. This one's looking pretty good still. Not getting as much snow underneath here. This guy. One in there is looking good. One's still not buried in snow. That's a good sign. There, that one's still looking good. Not buried yet. That's good. Hopefully we won't have to do too much adjusting tomorrow. Still going in there. That one's not buried. Down here where we caught that other one. There. That's the one where we caught the other one. Still kind of bent. That one's going to need some adjustment, I think. Might have to adjust that one tomorrow some. Uh-oh, this one down here is looking really buried. Still kind of see it underneath there. Tree branches are really hanging down. We doubled that one up, so we got two in there now. You can really see the branches are coming down, hanging over top of that one. All right, so that wraps up pretty much for today. I don't see anything today. I mean, there's a lot of snow and stuff, so I'm not surprised. But we'll have to come down. We'll have to make some adjustments tomorrow to the snares, all of them. They look like they're going to be probably buried in snow tomorrow. We're supposed to get about 30 centimeters, so hopefully we'll get down tomorrow and Dave will be able to come down. We'll have to adjust them and move them up a little bit just to account for the amount of snow that's going to be over top of them now. So you guys have a great day, and I'll see you next video. All right, have a great day. See ya.